we start today's lessons, I just want to welcome you all to our lesson today. Today we're going to look at variables and the types of variables, and then we are going to see where these variables are placed in our programming, and you need to identify that this is this kind of variable, this kind of type of variable. But please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and then don't forget to like our videos, and then please share our videos with your friends. So in our today's tutorial program, we are going to talk about variables, the types of variables, okay? So we are going to talk about variables today. I'm going to tell you the types of variables, and then where and how you can identify these variables while you are executing your program. So on top of variables, these are placeholders in memory, okay? They are containers. These are containers that hold value, store value for us. So whatever value, when you declare a variable, whatever value that you assign to it, these variables are placeholders in memory. They store these values assigned to them. So variables are what? Placeholders in memory. They are containers that hold store values. So we want to talk about the types of variables. First, we have local variable. We have local variable, okay? And then we have what? Instant variable. INSTANCE. We have instant variable. And then we do have also what we call static variable. We have static variables, okay? We have local variables, instant variables, and then we have static variables, okay? When we talk about local variables, these are variables that are found within what? The method. Any method that you may call while you are executing your program, this particular variable are referred to as what? Local variable. When we talk about instant variables, these are variables that are found within what? Our class. Okay? Any variable that you declare within the class is being referred to as instant variable. And then static variables, these are variables that we declare with a static keyword. Okay? Any variable that follow after the static keyword, the word static is a static variable. So therefore, these are the three types of variables that we have while you are executing your Java programming language. Okay? So let's talk about them one after the other. I said local variables, they are found within what? They are found within method. Right? They are found within what? Methods. Alright? Be the main method, whatever method that you try to call during your execution of the program, these are referred to as what? Local variable. And local variable, you can have direct access to them. Let me talk about them after the other. Local variable, you can have what? You can also have direct access. We can access them directly. Okay? We can access them directly. Okay? When we want to have access to them, we can have access to them directly. Okay? So they are found within network and we can have access to them directly. Right? And then we talk about instance variable. Instant variable, they are found within what? Classes. Found within a class. Okay? They are found within what? A class. And we cannot access them directly. We cannot access them directly. Right? If you want to have access to instant variable, except you use the new keyword. You create a new object and then you use that new keyword for you to have access to it. I will tell you as you are following the program, I will show you an example of how you can be able to have access. Since you cannot have access to them directly, but there is a way we want to have access to them. We want to execute our program on the console. Alright? Now we'll talk about static keyword. Now static variables. For static variables. So they can be found in a method, they can be found in a class, but they must follow the static keyword. They have the static keyword. Alright? Good. So we can have access to them directly as well. And then they are found within either the method or the class. But you have to look for this static keyword. Alright? Hope you understand it. So please, as you are following the lesson, don't forget to like our channel and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like the videos and then click on the notification button so that as we might upload more videos, you will be able to have access to them so that you will be notified that our channel will upload new videos for you. Now, let's also look at an example of what I was saying. So these are the types of variables: local variables, instance variables, static variables. Now let's see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, let's say you have created your package in your program. You have already a package like this. Let's say my package name is variable. This is the name of my package. And then let's say you have your public class. Our public class. I'm going to name my public class as well. Types of variable. Types of variables. Okay, then I open my brace and I close it here. Alright, now I'm going to write the public static main method, which is the main method here. Public static void main. Open a parenthesis string and then ARTS. Alright? Good. As you are seeing this particular, this is our main method, as you are seeing it. So just pay attention. I'm going to tell you exactly how you identify these particular variables in a particular program. So you don't have to leave a semicolon to this one. You also open a brace and then you close it here. Alright? So this is the open brace for our class, and this is the closing brace for our class. And here also is the open brace for our method, and also the closing brace for our main method. Within here is our method body, and in here we are going to execute all our coding. Now, we said local variables are found within method, and here is our method. Whatever variable we declare inside here are referred to as what? Local variable. And here is our public class. Mind you, it opens here and closes here. Whatever variable I declare here in my class are referred to as what? Instance variable. Here also is our class, because our class still closes here. It opens here and closes here. Under the closing brace of the main method, whatever variable also we declare inside here is still in a class. So it's also referred to as what? Instance variable. Hope you are following the lesson. Now, let's look at this. If I say here is MA and man equals what? 20. Alright? This is a variable. Man here in this particular statement is a variable, and because it is being declared inside the main method, it is referred to as what? It is being referred to as a local variable. Okay? This variable man in this particular statement here is a local variable because we have declared it within what? We have declared it within the method. So therefore it is a local variable. Okay. But if I come here and I say in the class I said int boy equals 30. Okay. Now int boy equals 30 because this particular variable here boy down here is not a local variable because I did not declare boy inside what the main method. Boy have been declared within what the classes. So in my public class types of what variables. So here you can see our curly brace open here for our class and then close here. So here it is what refers to as what as instant variable. Boy now is instant variable and man is a local variable because it is being declared in the class and for this one is being declared within the method. So therefore this is what this one is what a local variable and this one is what instant variable. We said local variable we can have access to them directly, but for instant variable we cannot have access to them directly. How? Let me explain to you. Now, if you go to the system.out.println method, if you type man, then you print out on the console you see 20. But in the case of instant variable, if you go to the system.out.println method, if you type in boy, it will show an error, violation error. Except you use the new keyword followed by the name of the class. That's like a constructor, right? Don't worry, the next lesson I will be talking about constructor classes. Alright? Now, here we say we can what? Have access to them directly. So we say system.out.print ln parentheses, and then this parentheses now. If I want to have this 20 printed on the console, I'll just put man because this is a variable and this variable I said they are what? Placeholders in memory. They store value. So you won't write 20 inside here, just write man. The compiler know that man as a variable is storing what? 20. Okay? So these are placeholders in memory and whatever value they hold, they have an address in the memory, stored in memory. So therefore I'll just put now here man and with no quotation because if you put quotation, instead of you seeing the value I'm stored to be stored by this variable man, you only see man, so don't put a quotation, just put man and then you end your statement with what is a semicolon. Now, if I print exactly this statement now, you see 20. Okay, because it is a local variable. But in the case of instant variable, this is an instant variable. Okay, so just write a comment. This is an instant variable. Instant variable. This one, on a comment, it's a local variable. Okay, this one is what? Local variable, this is an instant variable. Okay, now if you want to print now for this guy, boy, you want to print for this variable, instant variable, you don't have to say like this system.out.print and then if you write boy, the name of that variable inside there and print it out, it will show compilation error. You will not see 30 assigned to this variable boy. So let me tell you how you go about having access to it quickly. You have to say like this. Now, I said if you want to have access to instant variable, we accept to use the new keyword. We want to create a new object and then use that new object to have access to this local variable. Now, I'll say what? You're going to look for a very good and suitable name. For example, I will say you take the name of this one. I'm going to say types of variable equals what? Now I'll create another new word by saying new. Let me create a new word here called pen equals new you see, types of variable. Then this is a new keyword I'm going to use, pen. You can see pen has not been used within this particular statement throughout. So pen now is our new keyword I'm going to use. So equals to new types of what? Variable. You use when you are doing this, you make sure it has to be the same name with your class. You see, types of variable equals what? You follow by a new keyword equals new types of what? Variable. Just like the constructor. Okay, and then good. This is the only thing where you'll be able to have access to the instant variable. Without this, you may not be able to have access to it. Now, I'm going to use now this new keyword to allocate this instant variable. Now, if I come onto the system to add a print element method, I may now be able to have access to it. Then add a print element. Then, when I open the parentheses, I'm just going to put pen because pen now is what? The name of the variable, the new keyword. So we have to assign what by the new keyword. So I'm just saying pen dot. Then you see the dot classes, you see strings of option dot where dot the name of the class, you see them, but we need the variable dot born. Close end by a semicolon. Now, if you print this kind of statement now, you will see 30. But before, if you not use this new keyword, and then you have to just put word to show you compilation error. So that is how we are about to have access to instant variable. What about static variable? Static variable say they can declare inside the method, they can declare in the class, but they have to follow with what? A static keyword. So let's do it in here. This is a class, okay? Because our class, public class type of variable, the brace open here and then it closes here. So what we have here? We'll now say static man. Okay, we have the man there. Let's say static Amos. Okay, and then equals what? Static int Amos, we said, let's say 15. This is what? Static variable because it has a static keyword. So Amos here is what? Amos here is a static variable. So this is a static variable, alright, because it has a static keyword. So this one is static variable. Comment, and then we said static variable. We can have access to them directly. If I want to create this static, the value of that Amos is storing as a variable in memory, I'll just say system.out.print then open parentheses, and then I just have to put Amos. If I print now, I won't see Amos, but I'll see the value that Amos is holding, which is 15. So these are the types of variables, and this is how we might be able to identify them. So, okay guys, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like our video. Shortly, I'll show you an example of how we will execute this particular code. Thank you very much. Let's continue the lesson.
Okay, let me show you examples based upon what I was saying about the type of variables. But already I have a project that I've created, which is the hello world, and then I have my source code there. And this is my source code. I have my package inside. So I'm going to create a new project that a package. So I'm just going to click on my src, which is my source code. And then there I have my package here. Again, I'm going to create a package. My package is already there called also hello. Then I'm going to click on it. Then I will just going to create a class. So I'm going to name this class as variable. Okay, I'm going to click so that I'll be able to generate the public static void main method. Okay, good. This is the name of my package. As I told you, this is my public class variable, and then this stuff is there because of we generated the public static main void method. Now I told you that we have three types of variables, okay, and then this is the open brace of our public static void main method of our main method, and then it close here. So our class also is open here and then close here. Okay, so I told you that whatever variable that is being declared inside the class here also is a class here. So what type of variable have been declared here and here as far as, because our class body opens here and close here. This is where our class opens. So here is our class body unto here. Alright. Down here under the closing brace of the main method also is our class. If a variable is being declared here, it's called an instant variable. If a variable also declared here, it is called an instant variable because it is being found within a class. But inside here, it is what we call as what? Local variable. For static, it can be declared here and here, but it must have the static keyword. Now, let's go. Let's declare int man, as I told you, man equals 20. Now, this man int man here, this man as a variable, as a local variable. Okay, so let me just quickly walk through the comment to say this is what? This is a local variable. It's a local variable. Okay, man here is a local variable. Okay, and if I say static boy equals 20, okay, static int boy, okay, equals int equals what? 40. Okay, we are having an exception here. So let's say move this guy here. Okay, static int, which is boy, and then we also gonna say, if I say here, let's say we want to have access to this one, say SOUT, and then we want to have access to this because whatever variable being declared inside the main method is a local variable and we can have access to it directly. So if I'm going to write man inside here, then if I Control S, Control 11, we'll see 20 on the cursor. See that? 20. Let's try the same for the static and see. If I put static no, let's print SOUT, and then let's say we'll put boy. See this? We cannot have access. We can have direct access to it. But if it was because without the static keyword, you can print it directly. You can have access to it. But if it is an instant variable, for example, I say int we will take we as a variable equals what? Equals 30. Okay, good. So this one we have access to it because that is a static variable. Comment. This is a static variable. Okay. Now let's see if we can print. This instant variable we. Now SOUT control, and then if let's say we put we here, there's an error. As you can see, there is an error because there is what? An instance variable. So this is an instance variable. Okay, let's This is our instance variable. Okay. Therefore, how we go about having access to instance variable? I told you we can only have access to them by using the new keyword. So if I say variable, because it's capital V, it has to be the same name as your class. Variable, and then I said pen equals new variable here equals new variable. So this is a new keyword I'm going to use to have access to this guy here, this instance variable we. Okay, now if I SOUT, and then if I may not type pen, if I say dot, you see the dot classes. You will now see we here. That is how we go about to have access to it. So dot we. If I type we now, we might be able to print we. No more error. So this is how we can have access to instance variable. So we don't have direct access to instance variable here. This one is an instance variable. We cannot have direct access to them. We want to have access to them except we create our object, new object. So by using the new keyword here, as I have done here, that is how we go about to have access to them. So, and then this here is, for now, this is serving as what at a data type, and this is what a pen. This pen is what a variable. So this is a new keyword that we have used here. So except to use this particular method for you to have access to instance variable, if you don't use a new keyword, you might not be able to have access to them. Now if I print, now you might be able to see the value for the static variable, value for instant variable, and you may be able to see value for the local variable. Okay, good. Now you can see 30 here. You are seeing it with equals 30. But before, if you just put in the ordinary variable name like we, just like that, without using the new keyword, you might not be able to have access to instant variable. I hope you understand this well. Please subscribe to our channel and please like our videos. This is how you go about to apply these types of variables. So this is refers to as what? As static variable, because of what? The static word, static int. I told you inside here again, we can declare here, let me tell you that here again, whatever variable we declare here is also refers to our instant variable, because it is also part of the class. Here also is our class, because the class opens here and closes here. So in here also is our class. Whatever variable we declare here, let's say UOB as the name of my variable will be equals to what? 30. Okay, let's say if you want to print this 30 again, have you seen that? You may not have access to it because inside here is an instant variable. Here also is an instant variable because it is being found within what? It is being found within the class. So let's say SOUT and I control, if I put BOB, bam, you see an error. Except I have also to create another new keyword for this guy. If I create a new keyword, as I did, I might be able to have access to be able, which is 30. So I hope you understand the video well. Subscribe to our channel, and then don't forget to click on the notification bells so that when we upload more video, you might be notified so that you may have access to them. Thank you very much. We promise to do more tutorials for you guys. I know by the end of this tutorial, you have now understand the types of variable and where you can locate them. Thank you for watching our videos, and if you like our videos, share it with your friends.